I'm out here with Travis, who he and his family came out to help us kill pigs today. We've been getting ready all morning. We're starting a little late. It's kind of a funny time of year to kill pigs. But we're about to do 2 of these pigs that we raised here. They're American guinea hogs, and they're, I think, 18 months old. These guys have had a good life overall. They had a nice hike a couple weeks ago. They had a bath this morning. Pig. There. Is that hard? It's pretty stout. Come on. You might get on this side and just push them that way a little bit. I don't think. We've got this pig scraped because this one's the one that's going to be made into hams and cured bacon, and so we want the skin on it. That's my knife. I've not been filming much because I've been working. We're done with the first hog that we're scraping. We're cleaning up just a little bit, cleaning up our tools. We're about to eat lunch. Our first pig is in this freezer we're going to use as a cooler. And I am so glad it's time to eat because I'm starved. I didn't eat enough breakfast.
If you guys know Swedish Homestead, then you know Alex and Simeon. And these are Alex's parents. And they came to visit us. And I just feel so blessed. So they are spending the day with us.
And we are having a blast.
We are.
Yeah, it's really been a blessing. We're having so much fun.
And we are, they're telling us all the stories about Alex and Simeon.
Oh, yeah.
So we may do a whole vlog just on that.
Only the good ones, you guys, only the good ones.
This family here with us, you guys already met Travis, and this is Shanda, his wife. Can I just say, we had some people back out today, and we couldn't do this without Travis. So thank you so much. Tomorrow it's gonna be like crazy how many people are here.
Thank you, Travis.
But I'm just so thankful that they were faithful and showed up today. I'm taking Shanda and Judy and whoever else wants to come down to the barn for a little tour since we've got all the little kids down for naps. This is gonna be fun for me. Have you ever seen goats before?
I have. They make me smile, they make me laugh, they're my favorite.
Really? I didn't know that.
I love baby goats, seriously.
Hello.
Oh my goodness.
This is Raven.
You know,
That's exactly what happens every time I try to take a picture of my goats. They all start peeing at once.
So funny. Dandy. We try to keep the cows, even the calves, out because the mama starts freaking out if the calves come in here. It's like the paparazzi in here.
yes, look at this.
May's the easiest one to pick up and hold if you wanted to pick her up and hold her. This one, she's nursing right now, but she'll stop in just a second. This is May. And actually, someone was supposed to come and buy him today. Because we really need a new buck and all this, but then I think I talked Arthur into building me a buck enclosure. So then I can keep him because I really want to keep him for just one more season. A lot of you are probably wondering why we would sell our buck or why would we keep our buck. We would sell our buck because we're keeping the babies and we don't want him, it's not actually that big of a deal if he breeds his daughters as long as we don't continue doing that, but we would still like for that to not happen. We want to keep him because he's super gentle. We don't have to worry about him ramming our children or coming after me while I'm down here dealing with the animals and taking care of them. So I personally have wanted to keep him and not sell him. And I think Arthur said he could have me a buck enclosure within 2 weeks. So probably gonna keep him, and we'll actually need one more goat because he'll need a friend. May. Plus I don't even know if I want to sell any of them, to be honest. You have your own goats, don't you? Do you have babies yet?
Not yet. We have some due any day.
Oh, you could come home to get
13.
You have 13 goats? How did I not know that? Doesn't it feel like therapy?
I know it is. It's just like it calms your. You know how your heart and your spirit. I mean, you think of your heart as where your spirit is. It just calms you down.
Arthur was like, when we get a cow, we'll need to get rid of the goats, and I was like, nope, I need goats. I must have them.
Oh, look at. Am I gonna get a goaty kiss?
I love having people over when we have babies because they can actually handle them, you know. Because I love my adult goats and they love me, but they don't love other people.
Right.
They're just interested in me, really,
Yes,
and my
it's
kids.
Super cute.
This kind of, we're starting super late on the second hog, but this one's gonna go a lot quicker. They're about to shoot him. Do you want to talk about why you're skinning this hog?
Yeah, we're skinning this one because it tends to be faster. The other one we scraped because we're curing it, and you have to have skin on hams. This one, we're only doing cuts, so we don't need the skin on. And the last one was really hard to scrape, so we're just doing the fastest option, skinning this one.
Travis, you hunt and you butcher animals before, right? So you skin.
Yeah. Coming up, that's what we did. Wild game is what we normally skinned out and dealt with. This pig's a little different with the lard, but same concept.
Y'all done? Y'all resting?
We're done.
We got pizza coming.
That's great. Yeah, it went really well. We got it done. Everything's in the freezer chilling for tomorrow, and honestly, I couldn't have done it without Travis. Thank you, Travis.
Not a problem.
I'd shake your hand, but too far away.
It's really been a blessing having his family here and Alex and Simeon's parents. It's amazing to me how at YouTube we have actually made real friendships, and Alex and Simeon from Sweet Homestead, though we hardly ever see them, well, we've met them one time, have become friends, and now Alex's parents have become our friends, and now Travis and Shanda have become our friends, and we met them through YouTube and Instagram and meetups. Isn't that crazy?
It is crazy.
He has said a couple times, like, I can't believe I'm meeting you guys. Like, I never thought I would meet you. But I would say, I can't believe we've actually made real friendships because of our YouTube channel. So I feel like we're super blessed to have new friends. Thanks so much for getting pizza for us.
We are so glad that we could do that.
Little fat baby.
He came to me. He was happy to see me. He started talking.
Really? Do you guys like the pizza?
But he's so funny faces.
I only planned for lunch, and so this day kind of went longer than we expected, and Judy and John went and bought pizza for us. Thank you for joining us today. I know this video has been kind of scattered. It's really hard for us to film on days that we're butchering because I'm usually taking care of the kids and cooking food for everyone, and Arthur's actually doing the work. But we hope you enjoyed this peek into our day, and we will see you guys in the next video.